Imagine this. You're a sitting member of Congress, constantly in the national spotlight, and now your family name is trending again, but for all the wrong reasons. That's exactly what's happening with Representative Lauren Boebert, whose eldest son, Tyler Boebert, is now facing serious legal trouble. According to multiple sources, Tyler has been officially charged with child abuse following an incident that reportedly involved Boebert's young grandson. The allegations have sparked a flurry of reactions across social media and major news outlets, raising questions about how this will affect Boebert's personal and political life. While the details are still developing, the incident has placed Tyler at the center of public scrutiny, not for the first time. Let's take a closer look at what we know so far, the timeline of events, and the legal implications that could follow. The exact nature of the incident remains under investigation, but early reports confirm that the child involved is the son of Tyler Boebert, making him Lauren Boebert's grandson. Law enforcement in Colorado responded to a call regarding a domestic disturbance involving a juvenile, and after their initial inquiry, charges of child abuse were filed against Tyler. While authorities haven't released full details to protect the identity of the minor, the charges indicate that the situation was considered serious enough to involve legal consequences. It's important to note that in Colorado, child abuse can refer to a range of actions, from physical harm to neglect. As of now, no official statement has been released by Representative Boebert or her office, but the case is proceeding through standard judicial channels. Local authorities have emphasized that the child is currently safe. Tyler Boebert, now in his early 20s, has had a rocky history with the law. Earlier this year, he made headlines for his alleged involvement in multiple vehicle break-ins, and he's faced other misdemeanor charges in the past. Despite being the son of a prominent political figure, Tyler has frequently found himself entangled in legal issues, creating a pattern that many observers find troubling. In previous interviews, Representatives Lauren Boebert has publicly acknowledged her son's struggles, stating that her family, like many others, is not perfect. She's spoken about offering support and love, but with this new charge, the situation appears to have taken a much more serious and concerning turn. While Tyler is legally an adult, his actions now carry weight, not just for him, but also reflect on the public perception of his family. With child abuse charges now officially filed, Tyler Boebert is expected to appear in court in the coming weeks. Depending on the degree of the charge, he could be facing either misdemeanor or felony consequences, which may include fines, mandatory parenting classes, probation, or even jail time. His legal team has not yet issued a public statement, and no plea has been entered as of the latest update. The district attorney's office has confirmed that a full investigation is ongoing and that all standard procedures are being followed. For now, the legal focus remains strictly on Tyler and the facts of the case. Regardless of public opinion, the courts will need to determine the appropriate outcome based on evidence and testimony. Observers say that this case could also set a precedent for how similar incidents involving public figures, families are handled going forward. As expected, the story has generated a wave of reaction across news networks and social media, though many users are cautioning against jumping to conclusions before all the facts come out. Some express concern for the well-being of the child, while others argue that Tyler's legal troubles should be viewed separately from his mother's political career. For Representative Lauren Boebert, the situation is likely both personally painful and politically challenging. With a high-profile election season approaching, this case could cast a long shadow depending on how events unfold. Still, the priority in any case involving a child is always safety and justice. As new developments come in, we'll keep you informed. But for now, this case serves as a reminder that behind the headlines and the headlines makers are families dealing with very real, very human struggles.